my take is that I really don't take him serious. That's the truth. As I'm here, let me tell you, there's no politician that will say, Chief Peter Ameh came to his house in the night to ask for anything. No. I'm sitting here between you. Mind my business, I do my business, the what I can get and feed my family, I'm okay. No politician in this country can say I walked around in their houses. So why I'm saying this is I don't take him seriously. I have videos of him saying that APC is a corrupt party. I have videos of him calling Bola Ahmed Tinubu names, calling the party name. I have video of him insulting those who defect from opposition party to APC. I calling them indisciplined, calling them all sorts of names. Today, he's playing that role. Those things he condemned, he had now wore the same garment. And he's playing that role effectively to try to act as an undertaker to the PDP. And why do you say this? Yesterday, say, oh, he kept Damagu with all the attempt for people to remove him. So he's not somebody that you can say, oh, it means well for the opposition or it means well for the coalition. It doesn't, because he's pursuing his own interest and his own agenda. He's now a minister under the Bola Ahmed Tinubu government. He's benefiting. He's traveling. He's using state resources. He has a Rolls Royce that he's inside him, moving around, and everybody sees it. These are people who have been in government since 1998. Since 1999, sorry. So what is this wealth that a man who has been in government is so rich, and people run to him for all sorts of resources? So I do not see them as people who have interest of the people at heart. I don't see them like that. I see them as politicians the only interest they have is to keep their own interests alive. So I do not want to discuss those issues, and I feel a lot of Nigerians share the same impression, the same opinion with me, that we can't have people who are not stable, people whose character cannot be, say to be something you can recommend that your child should have, and then you said you see them like mentors. So as a person who have decided to leave this principal path and continue to pursue the goal that will benefit not just myself and my children, but the whole of Nigeria, I think Nigerians sees better and sees that the best option for them is to elect somebody that will truly, truly serve the interest of our people.